Hello and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the basics of coding Word document assembly templates. By using variables and including certain information in your Word document templates, you can save time by coding commonly used documents to insert information for you. To get started, let's make sure that the Word document assembly toolbar is installed. Search for Toolbar Plugins in the Quick Launch. On the Word tab, click the Install Assembly Plugin button. Next, we'll need to define the default personal template location field in Word. The template is where you can define your variables to code the document to your specifications. For more information about creating a personal template, check out Knowledge Base article R11015, How to Start a New Word Document Template, for detailed instructions about this process. Once your personal template has been created, let's code a new template. An easy way to code a template is to open an existing document and copy the contents from that document into the template. Then, replace the text that needs to be customized for different clients with variables. To do this, click File and then New. Clicking Personal will display available templates. Then, select cmtemplt.dotm. Let's use a medical records request form as an example. On the PracticeMaster tab, you'll see various options related to document assembly in the toolbar. Only a template will display this toolbar, making it easy to distinguish if you're viewing a template or a document file. The first button available on the toolbar is the Variable button. It can be used to select the field in PracticeMaster that you want to insert into your document, like the client's name or address. Let's add a variable for the client's full name. Start by highlighting the text that you want to replace with a variable. In this case, since we copied the text from a previously used document, we can highlight the name Michael Larson to replace. Next, click the Variable button. Below, expand System Files and Client. Under the Client Name group, select Full Name and then click OK. Next, you'll need to enter a name for the field. In this case, we'll label it as full_name. From the Format drop-down list, you can choose how the text for this field will display in the document. Leaving the Format field blank will display the text exactly as it shows in PracticeMaster. Additional options in the Properties and Format window include a variety of prompt options and the ability to compress a line in the document if the selected field is blank in PracticeMaster. When finished, click OK. Now, you'll see that the text Michael Larson has been replaced with code to pull in the full name field for the client that you're creating the document for. Below, we'll add another variable for the work description. This time, from the client file, select the work description field and click OK to go back to the document. You can repeat this step for any text that needs to be replaced with a variable. By default, all client fields will be available without any additional steps. However, you can access additional files, like area of practice information, by using the File button. This button is used to insert an opening or ending file access code so that records can be retrieved from any specified file. For example, let's say that we need to add information about the medical provider to the document. Currently, this information is stored in the Medical Services AOP file. By inserting file access codes, we're providing a way for the assembly process to access another file other than the client file. Entering an end access code after the variable directs the assembly process back to the client file. The Logic button is used to create conditional logic statements. These logic statements give you the ability to control what action is taken if certain conditions are true or false. For example, let's say that certain information will be included in the document if your client lives in the state of New Jersey. You can insert a logic statement to add an additional sentence if NJ is designated in the client's address. The Include button allows you to insert another document into the current document. This can be helpful for including the firm's letterhead. A tickler makes it possible to automatically open a new fee, cost, or calendar record when encountered during the assembly process. This can help you save time by automating the next setup in the process for you. Finally, the Test button assists in testing newly coded templates for incorrect coding or any errors. If you have questions about any of the buttons in the toolbar, simply click the Help button to pull up the PracticeMaster help topics on the subject. All of these steps and more can be found in Knowledge Base article R11447, Working with PracticeMaster Document Assembly. If you want to go beyond the basics, also look at KB article R10667, Word Document Assembly Advanced Coding Tips, or check out the Word Document Assembly Guide at tabs3.com/guides. Thanks for watching. See you next time.